All right, so let's start with our corduroy fabric. Any fabrics like this that tend to attract a lot of lint, you want to make sure you lint roll it first, because what happens is you will literally bake the lint right into the fabric, and you definitely do not want that. Rule of thumb with fabrics, the heavier the fabric, the more contact you want to give it. And with a corduroy like this, I'm actually going to come from the inside because corduroy is flat on the inside. And I don't want to go over the kind of velvety fabric on the outside. So I'm giving it a little tension, pulling, and coming down in one direction. So now let's do our denim. This is a super heavyweight fabric. As you see, it has a lot of folds in it. So we're actually gonna come on top of the fabric. Because this is so heavyweight, we're gonna give it lots of contact and a good amount of tension. And you see I'm going up and down, just like that. And voila, you can see the difference in the two legs. We gave it tension and super high contact. Well, that wraps today's 5-minute how-to. I hope you learned something new. Comment down below if there's anything else you want to know, and I'll consider it for my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you're the first to know when a new video drops. Until next time, style well, live well, be brave. Peace.